Hey Aaron, just got home from work. Noticed there's a package on my doorstep from AMMO NYC. So I did not order anything from them, so it's a true mystery box. I believe it's from Secret Santa Detailing Gift Exchange from Reddit, the auto detailing subreddit. So I'm gonna open it up and we'll see what's inside. Box is about 5 pounds, so pretty excited for this. I wanted to try AMMO for a while, but because of loading up on other detailing products, I did not have time or really the funds at this time to buy AMMO stuff. So I'm going to open it up, see what is inside. So there is a t-shirt, Drive and Protect, AMMO logo. That is awesome. So large, my size too. Feels somewhat high quality. I don't know what brand t-shirt is, but that is awesome. Let's see what else we got in here. So there's another box inside there. I know what it says there, but I'm going to open it up, take each product out individually. Flip that around. Bubble wrap, sprayer, AMMO mud tire gel, Brute wheel soap, plum wheel cleaner. So this is the AMMO NYC wheel regimen kit. I am very excited to try this stuff. Let's see if that pops up. It is a little bit cold, but that should pop up. Not a big deal. But I'm excited to try this regimen. Obviously I haven't tried any AMMO products. I plan on getting some of their hydrate and debating on doing their whole system with AMMO skin. I can't remember what their coating is, so reflex. So thank you for tuning in. I'm very excited to try all these products out. Hopefully plan to give a review on those when I do get time to use them. So thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already.